Hey there, this is my long-awaited Loom video that I want to show you how to use the My Most Trusted toolbar that is a Chrome overlay add-on. And I'm going to give you as brief as possible because they have an amazing set of 8-minute, 6-minute, 5-minute videos. This is just going to get you going to show you what it is that I use to get more people that I trust in my network and that we can share each other's network. You're going to go here. Like I am on my LinkedIn page. This is my home page and I've identified it as me. And you're going to go to this puzzle piece extensions. And from here, you're going to install either My Most Trusted. That's the original. And I use a white label version of it that is free instead of the $10 a month. That is called the Pantheon Connect. Now, once you install that, it's going to have this overlay that only pops up when you're on LinkedIn. And this is the directory. This is everything that's going on in my life. This is my dashboard of all the people that I'm sending referrals to, all of the people that I'm friends with that I trust and who they are sending referrals to. And this is what it's going to look like. When you download the extension, it's going to have you go in, click onto your network, and you're going to plus sign people that you trust, meaning you would give them a referral, they would give you a referral, you know who they are. It's not just somebody that you sort of connected to. This is what it's going to look like. This is one of my mentors, a very impressive person in my life, Josh Tapp. One of the first people you're going to want to plus sign whenever you get there. This is the toolbar that pops up. It's going to give Josh, look, hey, this is when we click into him. We're going to plus sign and we're going to say, hey, listen, I added Josh. I'm going to say we met through a networking event, business networking, and ChatGPT even is going to suggest to me, hey, this is who Josh is. This is what their profile is like, even though he's not extroverted. He's introverted. He's an extrovert for all of us, though. And they would most likely score here. And here's 3 things to help you speak to them. And it's going to help you reach out to more people to speak to them better. The other impressive part of as to why I use My Most Trusted is because whenever you get to meet new people, like I'm going to show you, for example, I just got an amazing chance to hang out with Tom. We're cool friends now. We just had a meeting yesterday and I haven't had a chance to add him as a trusted connection. So this is really what it looks and feels like if you're on actually somebody's page. I'm going to click on this toolbar here where it says add Tom. I'm going to select from the drop down. I'm going to say business networking and I'm going to say, yes, I totally trust Tom. I'm going to send Tom referrals and Tom is going to send me a couple of referrals because I know clients that I have or friends that I have that could use Tom's services and vice versa. This says, hey, they're trusted. Go ahead and click on OK. Now it's going to create, the AI creates this message and says, hey, Tom, guess what? Many of my LinkedIn, blah, 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 blah. Go ahead and let you know, I'm going to add you as my friend for the Pantheon Connect. Now, sometimes I want to like preface this and say, hey, Tom, real quick, I added you as a blah, blah, blah. Added you as a person that I trust and that I want to send you networking. And I use like another version of adding on to this message that it gets sent. But in this case, I talked to Tom yesterday, so no biggie. And you get a free shout out if you want to reach out to Tom because he's in my network now. And you're going to hit send. Now, he knows I've added him as a trusted connection to me. And look, he's already got 1 golden recommendation because he and I are mutual friends with Kachina, who's another great person you want to meet in your life. And from here, what you're going to notice is when you go into My Most Trusted, all you're going to do is go into your network of all of your existing contacts, your connections that you have of people that you know. And from here, the toolbar is going to populate. And then you're just going to go down the line and plus sign everybody that you really trust. And if you really, really love them, you really, really trust them, you're not just going to plus sign them. You can actually go one step further and give them a golden recommendation. So let me show you, for example, I've been meeting a ton of incredible new people, and we're just waiting at this point to have connection meetings one-on-one to make sure I want to add them as a trusted connection. But whenever the Pantheon Connect toolbar loads right here, it's going to populate all of these little things that says, hey, look, I trust them. I trust them. I trust them. And I can go down the line to all these people that I've been meeting to be able to say, hey, I want to add you to my network very quickly. And that way I can send you referrals. And once you're working with somebody that you already have plus signed, like take, for example, I just met Josh, we've been friends for a while, and I want to use this little handshake button to introduce somebody that I've met and that I want them to get to know Josh. So I just hung out for a brief moment with Greg Smith in Australia, and I really want him to get to know Josh. This is the next step. I'll show you in another video how the rest of this works.